Yeah, give me a little bit more music. Yeah, yeah. A little bit more. There we go. Yeah. I come from them apartments where they heartless. Wrote my name on the wall on some art shit. Van Gogh. I come from where the park is, where we park shit. Whole world know Vince, I'm an artist. Van Gogh, yeah, ho. We black sheep, seen police backseat since kids. Most my friends did dirt, did bids. Some still here, some got wig. Got no fears, I got no peers. So I never felt no pressure. Baby wanna be in love, I let her. You might be alone, no darling. I don't do the photos, darling. I don't really do no sparring. Get too close, I'm sparking. Turn since flirts, green rags and Marlins. Crept on your side, black mask. All you seen was the eyes like Marvin. Free mind doing stay time on the main line marching. One band, one sound. This ain't drumline, you confront my niggas finna get gunned down. I come from them apartments where they heartless. Wrote my name on the wall on some art shit. Van Gogh. I come from where the park is, where they park shit. Whole world know Vince, I'm an artist. Van Gogh, yeah, ho. You testing face, stepping in them gates. Who won't smoke? Don't worry, I'll wait. Whole set stand by with a mandate. Man down, he got ran down, it's a rat race. Snitch K, yeah, catch one and you switch states. No 50-50 yards for my niggas since the halls. We been killers, socking on jaws, but no, I'm not a swimmer. Jab like Sugar Ray Leonard, they was cooking cane with us in the crib. Hate when niggas say they get that how they live. Cause I would've got life for my life took. Real rap will snap when the dice shook. 6'5" niggas shoot like Harden. Don't die tryna find your target. End beef quicker than we started. Right across from the Windsor Gardens. I come from them apartments where they heartless. Wrote my name on the wall on some art shit. Van Gogh. I come from where the park is, where they park shit. Whole world know Vince, I'm an artist. Van Gogh, yeah, ho.
Days, Vincent later wrote, I put my hand in the flame of the lamp and said, let me see her for as long as I can keep my hand in this flame. But I think they blew out the lamp.